Welcome to Strawberry Show. Today, we will explore all about the star fruit of Korean winter strawberries. Not only delicious and nutritious, Korean strawberries are also a treasure that makes anyone fascinated. Let's start this exciting journey of discovery. Korean strawberry season. When are strawberries ripe? Strawberries first appeared in Korea in the 20th century, imported through Japan. But now, Korean strawberries have officially asserted their brand with 94.5% of the domestic market share. Many unique strawberry varieties such as Sealhyang, Maehyang, Jumsil have conquered not only Koreans but also international friends. Strawberries are planted in September, start to ripen in November-December, and are at their most brilliant in January-February. This is also the time when strawberry picking tours are held in large numbers. Joining a strawberry picking tour, you can both experience the feeling of harvesting and enjoy fresh strawberries right in the garden. Isn't that great? Light bulb tip. The price of strawberries at the beginning and end of the season is usually higher, but during the main season, the price is much more reasonable. Therefore, aim for January and February to hunt for quality strawberries at lovely prices. Korean strawberries, small but mighty, with top nutritional content. Don't let the plump, red appearance of strawberries fool you, because inside they are a treasure trove of nutrients. Vitamin C. 100 g of strawberries contain about 80 milligrams of vitamin C, 10 times more than apples. Just eating 8 small strawberries is enough vitamin C for the whole day, helping to brighten the skin, increase resistance and blood circulation. Essential minerals. Strawberries also contain 135 milligrams of potassium, 25 milligrams of phosphorus, 12 milligrams of calcium, which are extremely good for overall health. Beauty benefits. Vitamin C in strawberries helps improve skin texture, making your skin smoother and more radiant. Not only delicious, strawberries are also a secret weapon for better health and beauty. Hearing this makes you want to scoop a basket of them home to eat, right? 5 tips for choosing delicious strawberries. Be a smart consumer. Have you ever stood in front of dozens of baskets of strawberries and didn't know how to choose? Don't worry. Apply the 5 golden criteria below to choose the best strawberries. Green stem. The strawberry stem must be fresh and not dry. If the stem is dark green and smooth, then confidently close the order. Uniform red color. Good strawberries will be bright red from the base to the tip, without any green or pale white. Glossy, elastic skin. Fresh strawberries often have a shiny surface. If you lightly touch it and it feels elastic, it is qualified. Moderate size. Don't be greedy for large fruits because they are often less sweet. Strawberries the size of 2 fingers are the best. Color level over 90%. Look closely at the base of the strawberry. If the red color is clear and not patchy, it is definitely high quality. Where are strawberries grown in Korea? Korean strawberries are usually grown in greenhouses, which allow for optimal temperature and environmental control. Famous strawberry growing areas include Cheongnam, accounts for 35% of the country's strawberry production. Gyeongnam, Jeonnam, and Jeonbuk. These are also regions with large growing areas. Nonsan, Jeonju, Miryang, and Damyang. These provinces account for 35% of the country's total strawberry growing area. In particular, the Korean strawberry region is not only famous for its output, but also carefully invested in quality. So each strawberry is a sweet work of art. Conclusion: strawberries, the pearl of Korean winter. So we have discovered together all the most interesting things about Korean strawberries. From harvest season, nutrition, how to choose delicious strawberries, all have been revealed in this article. If you have the opportunity to visit Korea in the winter, don't forget to visit the strawberry gardens, join in strawberry picking, and enjoy the fresh taste right in the garden. You will definitely have a memorable and sweet experience. Thank you for watching Strawberry Show. See you again in the next episode, when we continue to explore the cool as water specialties of the kimchi land. Grinning face with smiling eyes strawberry. Welcome to the program Taste Journey. Today, we will travel together to the beautiful Jeju Island of Korea, a place that not only has breathtaking scenery but is also famous for a fruit known as a national treasure. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is the Jeju tangerine, or jewel in Korean. Not just a fruit, but the Jeju tangerine is also a story of Korean culture, history, and economy. Speaking of Jeju tangerines, we have to go back in time to the year 1052. At that time, tangerines were not for ordinary people. They were considered a rare delicacy, only enjoyed by kings and queens, to the point that the Goryeo Chronicles even recorded that the people of Jeju had to offer tangerines as gifts. But think about it, back then there was no modern preservation like today. The elders must have frantically picked the tangerines, carefully wrapped them, and galloped to the royal palace. A tangerine at that time was truly pure gold for the farmer. During the Joseon dynasty, the famous medical book Dong Wai Bo Gam revealed a shocking truth. Jeju tangerines are not only delicious but also very nutritious. Don't believe it? Listen. Prevents coughs, colds, prevents arteriosclerosis, and even prevents cancer. This is not all. The vitamin C in tangerines is so abundant that after eating them, you can confidently have a beautiful face and bright skin without needing to use cosmetics anymore. For those who often take time off work due to the flu, remember to stock up on Jeju tangerines. They are more effective than cold medicine. Now for the fun part, Jeju's top tangerines. Ready? Noji tangerines, a balanced sweet and sour taste. After eating, you will feel refreshed immediately because the citric acid will blow away your fatigue. But Noji has a weakness. It is very sensitive to wind and rain. So if you see someone selling delicious Noji tangerines, you should immediately shout, "Buy quickly before they are gone." Halabong mandarin. This is the legend. Looking at the stem protruding like Halasan Mountain, one bite is unforgettable. Sweet, juicy, crispy skin. Nothing to complain about. Hyunhyehyang mandarin fragrance that travels 1,000 miles. True to its name. Twice or 3 times bigger than regular mandarins. Sweeter than your first love. Wangyumhyang mandarin just appeared in 2019 but has made people crazy. Thin skin, soft flesh, eat it and you will want to ask for another kilo. Redyang tangerine, the rich kid of the tangerine family. Bright red, sweet. Just looking at it makes you want to take a virtual photo right away. But you know what? Just eating tangerines in Jeju is not enough. You have to pick tangerines yourself to be more interesting. You will be able to step into fragrant tangerine gardens, pick each fruit, and enjoy the feeling of being a modern Jeju farmer. Farms like Odung Gamjil, VIP Halabong Farm, or Bongbong Tangerine Farm are all waiting for you. Remember to choose the time from October to February. The tangerines are always the freshest. So, Jeju tangerines are not only a gift from nature, but also a symbol of the hard work and creativity of Jeju people. If you have the opportunity to visit Korea, you must definitely try Jeju tangerines. Otherwise, you will regret it when you return home. Thank you for joining me today. Now I'm off to find a glass of JJ
拯救黑皮系列。
See you in the next episode of Taste Journey. Bye bye.